Get, go. Oh, pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh.
Drop down. And
Hey, made it.
around and run. Hold on to this top one and then run.
Just wait, Oscar, wait.
Let go.
Just wait there, mate.
Wait.
Okay, you good now?
Go.
See how far you can get.
He's not on it.
Go. Run. Can't really get on.
Yeah, just go back up to the tree,
And hold on, and then you don't need to sit on it. Just run, and then take your feet off the ground when you get to the water.
Okay, go. Run.
Good lad.
That wasn't a bad run.
Keep holding on.
Not a bad run. Okay, drop. Beauty. Yeah, hold on to your thing. I saw you slipped off on that when you first went over.
It's Emma's turn next to my turn.
I know, and you were holding on.
One,
Set.
2, 3.
Woohoo! Hey, boys!
Catch it.
It's okay. Sam will get it. Don't chase it down the hill.
You're stuck! You're stranded!
You should have stayed on, mate. No, you didn't. You tried to get off, I reckon.
He wanted to
Oh, okay.
go around the hill. That's what we do.
You right, mate?
All right. Hold on.
And hold on to the top one.
That's okay, Amber. He'll do it.
Guys, we should get some,
And then when you get to the
tree ferns and lilies.
close to the water,
Yeah.
Here he goes.
Here he comes. Hold on. Don't let go. It's very cold in there. It's very cold. Okay, hold on. Sam's going to whip you.
Are you going to drop down or shit? Wait till you ride in the butt. There you go, drop.
Well done. Okay, you better sit down. You might tip over.
Spider-Man! How are we going to do that, man?